Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting HTML data from HTML tables into PowerShell scripts. You can see I have on my computer, I have a HTML file. It's a web page with a table in it, and I will be converting this table to PowerShell with app. So in order to do this, I will go to my website, this is my website, and click on search and type PowerShell to find PowerShell apps. Click on this page, click on HTML table to PowerShell, and click on download button to start downloading process. And wait until archive will be downloaded. Click on downloaded archive, double click on the site archive, and click on more info here. And I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click on finish and final screen. And you can see a new shortcut has been created with my desktop, and I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we have to select input file. There are 2 ways to do that. We can add the URL to a web page here with my data I need. In this case, application will download this data and try to create PowerShells from it, or if I have data downloaded, I can add input file. I click on select this, and then I can go and do, it was a different HTML. It was that I show you, it was like in HTML files. Let's go to HTML files and states, click on next step. Here you can see it will show me which columns I'd like to add to structure inside a PowerShell. So for example, we have on the page we have 4 columns. I can select all of them, or I can select a couple of them. If my table first row is has column names, which is in my case in HTML, there on the top of the table there is a column names, I will leave it checked. Sometimes if there are no, like if there is just data, you can uncheck this. And click on next step, and on final step I can preview my PowerShell. You can see state 0 with all data in it, and I can save result to PowerShell script. So let's save it to my documents, and let's go and open this PowerShell. I right click, edit, and yep, you can see it has a structure on top, declaration, and then adding all data to it. And like here online, I can add my code to access it, or my script in the way I want to access it. Let me paste it here. So you can see it has for each, it shows I need to pass correct structure, and here it prints for each record in a state, it prints state name, region from that HTML page, right? We had, sorry. I want to open HTML page just to show you. So this will be state name, state code, and region, subregion. Every record will have this value, and I can access them by this, like accessing like variable dot and column name, and then I can run it, and you can see it returning all data. So it's very good for if I want to use some data from web page into my PowerShell script. I can directly convert it into PowerShell and use it and add my code after data has been populated. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.